southeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, northwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Columbus, or 6 miles northeast of Lancaster
County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Columbus, or 6 miles northeast of Landrum, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees around
on the lowest floor of a building.
Locations impacted.
Please report damage to wind, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or either using hashtag NWSGSP.
Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Polk and Rutherford, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee and Spartanburg.
Describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Polk and Rutherford, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee and Spartanburg.
Yep. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, central Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, central Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Expects damage to trees
At 4:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Jackson, moving at 25 miles per hour.
Cherokee Falls, Draytonville, Kings Creek, Bethany, and
penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gaffney, Blackbird, Huron, Rotary,
800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page
and King Community State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Specific location where
Please
it
record
occurred.
damaging winds, hail,
A severe thunderstorm warning has been
by
issued
calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and York.
You should have to